Hi dear gardeners, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my garden. I am today going to show you what am I up to. So I've been cleaning this. This is the garden shed that I am fixing, and I have prepared the dirt here. It's very dry. It's almost like powder, as you can see, but I got beautiful flowers. And I have a plan to make this corner beautiful, even though I'm renovating, as you can see. And there's a big mess. But on the meantime, why not make this corner pretty, right? So. Here's my plan. You can see here I have these tuberose, like when they are tuberose begonias, you can take them at the end of the season and reuse them next season, which is great. From these four, I intend to make a house plant so that it doesn't die in winter. And then over here, I had these ones. They come back every year, but they cannot be left. Like, as you can see, the pots are high there. And yeah, this is because there's a lot of mosquitoes. But so high, the wind is gonna kill them. So you gotta put them down for them to survive the winter. And yeah, and then this is my fault. Like, I completely mistreated them. But they're all tuberose, these ones, the ones that have the big flower. Not these ones though. So these ones, either I bring them in or they will die end of the season. So yeah, the plan is I'm gonna now put them here and organize and see what do I come up with as some sort of like a plan. These are pretty expensive, and I think it's because they are, once you get them, they're not supposed to not die. So I think that's why. So let me see. Hi Ada, what are you doing, baby? You wanna come say hi? Come, baby. Come, baby. Who is this pretty girl? Come here. No? Okay. Bright orange. Look how pretty. Even the leaves are very pretty. This one. No, this is mocha bright orange. It's easy to see from down here. Is the non-stop pink, which is also tuberous begonia. But I don't know if you've noticed, it's different from the rest because this one doesn't have the striped leaves. I mean, it's looking a little bit beat up, but look at the flower. Whereas the other ones have a tiny flower compared to this one. And that's because this one is annual, meaning there's no tuber, it's gonna die by the end of the season. These geraniums are so pretty. It's just dried leaves. My God! J'étais concentrée. Oh my God!
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait finalement?
On va aller chercher la pizza. Je viens avec toi, t'es-tu fini? Ok, donc j'arrive, je viens. Donne-moi 5 minutes. Oh my God, he scared the hell out of me. Listen, guys, when I am gardening, okay, I am not talking. This is a me activity. I love to be by myself and do my own thing. I don't like to be interrupted. All right, let me show you. So I have finally left it like this. This one goes on top and it's gonna grab here and do round as well, like that. Same thing here with the geraniums, this other one. And that's what I was telling you. So this one that has such a big flower, and look the petals, look at these ones, look similar, right? Whereas if we look at this, so much more small. This is the one that does me, but it's not tuberose. So you cannot just dig it up and plant it next year again. It's gonna grow again, basically. These ones though, yes, they are. These, you can see like the type of flower is different, much bigger. And that's the side of the garden shed. This was a day. Hello. It was a very full day. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next week for more. Bye, guys.